When we moved into our home several years ago, I truly disliked the way our garage doors looked. They were a dull beige color. I wanted to spruce up our curb appeal, and that's when I came across the company Garageskins. Working with Garageskins was so seamless and stress-free. Garageskins guides you on how to measure your garage doors to get the perfect fit. You can pick from a variety of styles and colors and also add hardware to your order. We have a double and single garage door. We ordered the Tennessee walnut in the style kosher. The box is labeled and tells you which door the box belongs to. 2 boxes arrived for the double door and 1 box for the single door. Each box comes with a diagram on how to apply each magnetic garage panel. Each panel is numbered and the instructions show you where each numbered panel goes. The installation was so simple. Garageskins offers 7 distinct stain options to enhance the decor of almost any home. Garageskin works on any standard metal garage door, no need for replacement. If you can lift a 2-pound panel, you can install the Garageskin system. They are easy DIY installation, real wood veneers, not cheap looking plastic, and they also have a magnetic attachment which makes installation a snap. Here I am holding the panel with one hand, and as you can see, I am simply snapping the panel into place. It's as easy as that. Once you finish installing the panels, you can add the magnetic hardware to finish off the look. When properly installed, the Garageskin panels will allow you to open and close your garage door without a problem. And here is the finished look. What a game changer, and look at the instant curb appeal. We have gotten so many compliments already from people in our neighborhood. We are absolutely in love with how this turned out. If you are looking to change the look of your garage door without the cost and hassle of replacing it, look no further than Garageskins.